Hello, welcome to the second basic class of the lesson reflection of light at curved surfaces. In this video class, I will discuss with you about mirror surfaces, types of mirrors like a plane mirror, spherical mirrors, and spherical mirrors also here classified into concave mirror and convex mirror. Then why the concave and convex mirrors are called as spherical mirrors, what is image, and the reason behind the formation of image. Then what are the types of images like virtual image and real image. So these are the topics of this video class. So without later, shall we start the class? So first topic for us is what is mirror. So here mirror is simply made up of a glass which is coated by a metal amalgam, or simply we can say silver or aluminium. So when we coat that glass surface at one side, it will make that another surface as a reflecting surface, so that will reflect that clear image. Actually, due to the reflection only the image will be formed. So we will discuss about that formation of image in the ray diagrams. Generally, we can use silver or aluminium for the coating of glass surface to convert that into mirror. So here that when we apply metal amalgam like a silver or aluminium on the surface, that will make that surface as a opaque surface. Then another side of that coated surface is called here reflecting surface. So generally a mirror has two types of surfaces. One is a reflecting surface and the other is opaque surface. So here what is a reflecting surface? The surface which is smooth, that means highly polished, that completely bouncing the light rays back is called here reflecting surface. That means the light rays will be sent into the same medium, that is called here reflection. So here that surface act like a reflecting surface. So here what about the other surface, opaque surface? Here it won't reflect the light and it will not allow the light to pass through them, that is called here opaque surface. So here that reflection actually takes place from the surface, but it will not 100% reflector. It helps us to see that surface only, but it won't form the image. So these type of surfaces are called here opaque surfaces. Then here what are the types of mirrors? There are mainly three common types. One is a plane mirror and the other is concave and convex mirrors. We can say them as spherical mirrors. So here what about this plane mirror? So any mirror, it has two types of surfaces as we discussed here. That reflecting surface completely flat or plane. So these type of mirror are called as here plane mirrors. So then what about other spherical mirrors like concave and convex mirrors? So here spherical mirror is a mirror that has the shape as like a bulged or a curved in, so like a depth. So these type of mirrors are called here spherical mirrors. Actually the reason behind the calling of this concave and convex mirrors is spherical mirrors, they are the part of a sphere. So when a hollow sphere glass cut into pieces, suppose if you cut a rubber ball which has hollow surface inside, you will get a bowl shape. So inside it has a depth, outside it has something bulged surface. So these surfaces it has. So that's why they are called as here spherical mirrors. So what about a concave mirror? Here the reflecting surface of this mirror is curved inward. Its opaque surface is bulged outward. So these type of mirrors are here called as concave mirrors. Then what about a convex mirror here? So convex mirror reflecting surface is bulged out and its opaque surface is curved inwards. So curved inwards has something depth, bulged outwards has something bulged surface, bulged out, coming out. So this type of surfaces here called as concave and convex, depending on the surface, which surface, that is reflecting surface. Based on the reflecting surface only, we can name them as a concave mirror and a convex mirror. So here, without observing their surfaces, we can identify this type of mirrors as concave or convex. If you try to see your face, it is invisible, or it will show you reversed image. So that type of mirror is called here concave mirror. Convex mirror, here that will show you your image at any distance as smaller. So this type of mirror is called here convex mirror. But here you may get doubt that about plane mirror. It is also showing the image at any distance, but it is equal to the size of the object. We cannot see that large objects, like suppose a bus, you cannot see in the small mirror from the short distance, but in the convex mirror you can see that complete bus in the mirror from a short distance also. So these convex mirror we can use as a rear view mirror for vehicles. So here you can see the images as a smaller or a larger, whatever it may be. Mirror is example for the formation of image here. So daily we are using to see our faces. So what is an image? So here, when light rays meet or appear to meet after the reflection from the mirror surface, that can form the image. So it is simply due to the converging of light rays or diverging of light rays, it is visible to us. So that is called here image. So image completely based on the light rays converging or diverging. Then what about the reason behind it? Simply the reason is reflection. After the reflection, the light rays may be converge or diverge. So this is the reason behind the formation of image. So here you have observed that image formed on the screen in your 7th class. That candle example on the screen is given flame. So that reversely observed. So if you observe yourself in the mirror, you cannot see yourself in the mirror as a reverse. What is these type of images here? So that types of images here simply said to be virtual image and real images. So here the image which can be formed only on the surface but not on the screen. So that type of images are called here virtual image. So plane mirror is best example for that formation of a virtual image. It cannot give the image on the screen. Always it can form the image on the surface of a mirror. Suppose if you use a concave mirror, that can be form the image on the surface of a wall or on the white paper, or you can use any cloth as a screen. So on the screen you can capture the image. So these type of image is called here real image. So here what is the reason behind the formation of a real image? So the reason is simply that light rays are converged after the reflection in front of the mirror. The reason behind the formation of a virtual image is here they cannot meet light rays at a point after the reflection. They can meet backside of the mirror if you extend. So that backward converging point observed in this virtual images. So here you can see that image is reversed. That means top is bottom, bottom is top. So these type of images are called here inverted image. But when you observe yourself in the mirror, left eyes right, right eyes left will be observed. So these type of exchange between the sides, left eyes right, right eyes left. So they are called here lateral inverted image. So we can say other types also based on the sizes here as enlarged image or a diminished image. So what is diminished? Diminished means here simply it is smaller or short. So based on the size, that means you have to compare the size of the image with the object size. So size of the image is smaller than the object size. That type of image is called here diminished image. If the size of the image is larger or greater than the size of the object, that type of image is called here enlarged or magnified image. Then one more is there, erect image. That suppose if you see yourself in the mirror, you can see that object as well as the image stands same side. That means top you can see is top, bottom is bottom only. So if you observe this type of image at any surface is called here erect image. So I hope these concepts are easily understood to you. So let me meet with you another video class. Thank you.